What's up with y'all? It's Miss KJ here, back with another read aloud for you all, and we're in the middle of Black History Month. So, to celebrate Black History Month, we're going to read a story about hair, because black hair comes in all different types of shapes and forms, from cornrows to locks, to bantu knots to afros. So, today we're going to be reading Boonoonoonous Hair by Laura James. Time to plait Jamilla's hair, but the comb has vanished into thin air. It's up in the ceiling, Jamilla shouts. The elephant's hiding it in his trunk. Oh, really? Last time it was the camel's hump, the kangaroo's pouch, the toucan's beak, the mouse's squeak. Now listen, no more playing. Spin around and let's get braided. Aha! Look where the comb's been hiding. Well, Jamilla cries. Oh, come on now, Jamilla. This is no time to pout. You'll be late for school unless I comb it out. Close your eyes, count to 10. I'll be done with this plait by then. I hate my hair. It hurts. It's a pain. Oh, do stop making such a fuss. Why do you hate your hair so much? Because it's bad, bad, bad. Makes me so mad, mad, mad. Why can't I have good hair? Like the girls in my class. Sasha, Sarah, Brittany, Claire. Oh, really? What's so good about their hair? They have hair that's long and soft and pretty. It glows as it flows without plaits, without pins. Long or short, it can swish as they wish. Oh, Jamilla, you silly. Why want their hair when the most fantabulous splendor fairy is Boonoonoonous hair in the world is right here? Really? And truly, you see, your hair is electric, kinetic, and free, while your friend's hair always looks the same. You have hair that can frame your face or whiz off into the stratosphere. Hair that can say something different every day of the week, every month of the year. Want to try? Oh yes, a different head of hair every day of the year. Well, let's start with this week, so I can have puffs on Monday, plaits on Tuesday, braids on Wednesday, cornrows Thursday, twist out Friday, yes, and on Saturday, hair can be wild. But on Sunday, you must be grandmother's child. But guess what? No more hiding the comb. No more crying. Agree? Uh-huh. Boonoonoonous and Boonoonoonous shoe. For the first day of school, here's your new do. Now promise, Jamilla, no hiding the comb. No getting in a tizzy. Sometimes Mom might be busy, so ask Big Sister Lizzie, but she's been there with her electric, kinetic, bombastic, fantastic, twirly, whirly, curly, fuzzy, snappy, nappy, wavy, crazy. Boonoonoonous hair. Thank you all so much for joining me in my read aloud about Boonoonoonous hair. If you guys liked it, make sure you guys stay tuned for more. And thank you all so much again. Bye.